Younger, AB to embark with Social Security and employment, pension, stability, 1490, 3,100 euros is the wage we have today. I know that many companies up north having very cold winters now are paying 4,500, 5,000 euros, and that is because they have a huge shortage up north. Yeah, everything is short up north and very cold. But if you're really thinking about in the future, like in 35 years, now I'm 59, imagine when you are 59, if you are now 28, for example, many younger European ABs are applying to Candina. Why? Because the most important thing, at least for you, and I guess for me, is family. So if something happens to me when I was 22 and I started working, or when you are 28 and you are AB, perhaps the most important thing you can give to your family is the social security. Italian social security, 2 years work equals 2 years unemployment, pension is after 20 years, sanitary assistance, and then you have the whole rights of the employment rights, Italian flag, equality. So think about this security for your family if you are a young AB, because if you are sailing aboard a cruise ship, flag of convenience far away from Europe, this also is wage in euros. If you are Bulgarian young AB, 3,100 euros. So like and subscribe and think about the security of having this competitive advantage, because now Europe has a huge shortage of young ABs, and if you one day want to be 59 like me and still work, perhaps you already retired after 20 years social security working in Italy, perhaps, but if you are joining this company of 77 ships, a family company, Candina is 4 generations, I've been here 35 years today, so perhaps it is an example of what you could be having in the future, and should there be any issues, which I touch wood is not like that, then you always have the social security, which under flag of convenience, not at all, and you're close to home, huge ships, huge company, huge possibilities of promotions. Like and subscribe, and if you are European and know other friends that are young also, I want to have a career in the maritime, beautiful field, and you have a passion like I do, staying put in the job for so long, perhaps security is the most important thing. I know it's not for me, not for you, it's for your family, which is the reason why we are here today working. Thank you, bye.